cases, real people. For destruction of property and assault.
Now, were your two children in the car as well?
No, Your Honor.
So you were only taking the 3-year-old?
No, Your Honor. My other two children had gotten out of the car, and she had climbed in the car. She knows how to climb into my car.
Go. You called the police?
Really?
Because
I called the police on the 23rd.
And it's been how many years?